There's a kind of silence that follows loss, not just the absence of sound, but the absence of rhythm. The door that no longer clicks at dusk, the footstep that never comes, the breath that once filled the room. We spend lifetimes trying to fill that silence with words, with work, with noise that numbs. But what if the silence isn't empty? What if it's an invitation to listen deeper, beyond memory, beyond meaning? When the sound becomes a pure tone, there is no grief left to fill, only stillness. And in that stillness, we begin to hear life